To get a girlfriend, try putting yourself out there more by joining clubs, picking up new hobbies, and attending fun events with your friends. The more often you go out and do things, the more likely you are to meet girls. You can also try online dating if you're over 18. Remember to take care of yourself by practicing good hygiene and wearing clothes you feel confident in, which will make you more attractive to girls. Once you meet someone you're interested in, flirt with her to test the waters. Smile, make eye contact, and compliment her. If she flirts back and seems interested in talking to you, it could be a sign that she's into you. Try asking her out on a date. If things go well and you keep spending time together, she could end up becoming your girlfriend. If a girl says no when you ask her out, be respectful and try not to get discouraged. That just means you're one step closer to meeting the right girl for you.